Hi students, so welcome back to the IT tutorial. So in here, we access the Google Classroom first and then see the classwork, and there you will see IT4 connecting numbers with line. Right click on the attachment and then open link and new tab, and after that a new tab will appear. So just wait till the loading of image file done and then click download. Once you click download, usually a browser will save it automatically or it will ask you to locate the file. Here I'm going to just press save first, and then you can whether click the arrow and then click show in folder, or you can click start and then type file explorer and then click it to access your file folder. And there you go, we are going to access downloads folder because it is the place where usually the downloaded files stored. And there you go, you find connect line 15 Octopus. So right click, just edit, not edit with photos, not edit with Paint 3D, but just edit. And after you're done, there you go. You can scroll up, scroll down, scroll left and right to see the whole picture. Here we are going to connect from the dot with line, not with the brush like this. It is wrong. So we need line tool and then choose the thickest line, and after that click black to give a black line, and then begin to connect from the green dot, it is 0, to the next number, it is 1, and then to the next number 2, next number is 3, next number is 4, and continue to the next numbers. You can scroll down to make the numbers are visible. Here I don't have number 11, so it is wrong made by me, but you just connect it to the next number 12. Here I also recommend you to zoom if it's too hard for you to connect line or to control your mouse yet. So if you connect 13 to the 14 like this, it is wrong. When 12 to 13 reach its stop, then you can continue from the green dots and then connect it to the next number. See here, 18 is going to stop at 19. So after that, we are going to connect 19 to 20 directly. However, we are going to start it from the green dot. So green dot to 20, and then to 21, 22, 23, and 24, and so on. See here, 25 is stop, and then from the green dot to 26. And then not 26 to 29. You need to find what is the next number of 26 by scrolling down, and there you will see the next number, and then continue to the next line. Here 31 stop at 32, not 32 to 33 directly, but from the green dot into the next number. Not 34 to green dot, remember the green dot, the stop point. Not 36 to 38, but to 37. You have to scroll up, scroll down to make sure that the number connecting to each next number. And then just keep continue. You can take a break if you feel tired with your hand. And after you're done, look at here, we know that the octopus is living in the ocean. So we are going to choose fill color, and then I'm going to use blue to fill the background. Yep, and then just fill it into the background, and boom, that's it, the ocean. Now our octopus can live happily, and I'm going to choose orange for him. And red for the cheeks. Yes, you can do as well for the eyes. However, I'm going to undo and go back with the normal one. It's alright if you want to use your creativity here. After you're done, just click file and then save as. Don't choose PNG, JPEG. Don't choose this type of file yet. Just click save as, and then there you go, you see save as type, and then you can choose PNG instead of the other format file. So just click PNG, and then we're going to rename the file. However, here we aren't going to change anything, but we are going to add color as the additional name. And after you're done with that, make sure that you remember to look at your file, then just click save, and then any transparency will be lost if you save this picture. Do you want to continue? Just press OK to proceed saving file. If you click cancel, it won't save your file. So after you're done, you will see the name of the file change into color. Alright, after you're done, you can close, and then you can submit into the Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all the tutorial for today. Thank you everyone, and see you again in the next project.